Hi guys, Mandy with Tidy Sticky Mama here, and today we're going to talk about the house dress. The house dress has kind of been bubbling around the corners of the internet for a couple of years now, but with the COVID-19 pandemic and more people staying home more often, they're getting more attention, and I am thrilled. So what's a house dress? Pretty simply, it's a comfy dress you can wear around the house. The idea of it is to have something that you still have some freedom of movement in, to be able to do housework. They had their start in the age of corsets, and for good reason, right? But they hit their heyday in about the 40s and 50s. What makes a good one? Well, it's a practical garment at heart. It has to be easily washable, so nothing dry clean only or hand wash or with a bunch of delicate things on it. It needs to be comfortable because you're hanging around your house, right? It's not the Met Gala. And fuss free. That means you don't want to be fighting straps to stay up or the hem to stay down or have something so long that you need to lift it to climb stairs. Generally in the 40s and 50s, it seems like most house dresses hit a little bit below the knee, which I find to be a very good practical length. It should be something you feel good in. Ideally with pockets, of course. Now, why? Laziness. Really, truly laziness. It takes less effort to reach in your closet and grab a one-piece dress and throw it on than it does to find yoga pants and a t-shirt or match any two other things out of your closet, right? But the house dress, you get the added bonus of looking like you tried. It looks like you're put together for more than just a home workout, and honestly, you feel better. I'm not knocking the old sweatpants by any means. You've seen my favorite pair in a few videos now. But especially these days, these little things can make such a difference in our mental health, which is just as important as our physical health, right? And I know I'm not the only one that starts to feel bleh after my 4th day of dressing for the couch. Little bit of a fashion show for you guys here. Now these are the dresses that I wear around all the time. The black one is maybe a little short. A good gust in the neighbors will probably get a show while I'm in the garden. Otherwise, these are all solid examples of a modern house dress. These are all very comfortable. You can see I have lots of freedom of movement in them, and there's nothing to fuss with. The one thing that I would change about all of these dresses is that none of them have any pockets, which is not a total deal breaker, but you'll notice the house dresses of the past mostly did have pockets, and it'd be really nice if clothing producers would realize that we want our pockets back, dang it. Like, I can get all this stuff done to keep up with my kids, clean up the house, and still look good doing it. Plus, if I gotta run the garbage out or I want to go outside for a quick walk, I don't have to change my clothes, and I still don't have to worry about the neighbors judging me for still being in my pajamas at 2 in the afternoon. Plus, if you're still in the phase of life that you're having more kids, a good house dress will probably stay with you throughout most of your pregnancy, which is great on the budget because maternity clothes are expensive, and it's nice to be able to stay in your normal clothes for a while, right? It's been my own slice of normalcy in this pandemic environment. Just putting on real clothes. And I mean, I look good, so the self-esteem boost of walking past a mirror has been great. Now, not every dress will work, even if it's comfy. Here's what I mean. This one right here is a favorite for comfort. Even when I am huge and gigantic pregnant, this thing is great, but it is just too long. It touches the floor and I tend to step on it. This one is super cute, and I even do still have a pretty good range of motion in it. But it's a little fitted through the torso, which can make bending uncomfortable, and the straps are really, really uncooperative, so not a great house dress candidate. If you're not already on the house dress trend, give it a try. Give your yoga pants a day off. I've seen lots of cute options out there all over the internet, both Target, Amazon, H&M. A couple of my favorites actually came secondhand, like this one, from garage sales and thrifting, so they are all over the place if you're looking. My two long favorites came from Zulily recently, and that black floral one came from Old Navy, so have a look around. You never know what you're gonna find. Are you team house dress? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, see you next time. I've got it takes less effort, less